How to change your AliExpress password online. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get into your AliExpress.com, and then from here make sure that you're logged into your account. You can simply tap on the account icon right here, and then from there you can actually add in all of the credentials of your AliExpress in order to log into your account. You can tap on sign in or register right here, and like I said, add in the credentials, log into your account. So in here, after successfully signing into your account, of course, we're going to get to the dashboard just like this. And again, we'll need to tap on the account icon right here. And then from here, now we'll get into the settings. So scroll down a bit, then you can tap on settings right here. We'll get into the account settings. So after tapping on settings here, you can actually see the option of profile. Simply tap on profile right here. And after tapping on profile here, you can see the password, right? So simply tap on password. And in here, in order to change it, what you're going to do is now simply write in your current password, and then you need to write in your new password and retype your new password in order to change it. So we will actually need to verify your email address one more time. So simply do that just like this. And finally, when you do verify your account, now you'll need to enter your new password and then rewrite that password, and then you can tap on update password, and just like that, you'll successfully be able to change your AliExpress password online, and that's it.